Your purse should be your survival kit. Nothing feels worse than being out on a date or a girls' night out and you realize, I forgot something at home. Hello sister girl, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Belvian Andite, award-winning journalist and TV show host, and just a girl who loves the good life, just a girl who loves to live life to its very fullest. In this video, I will be sharing with you items that I think every lady should carry in her purse, because your outfit gets the attention, but your purse, it keeps your peace. These are items that I think every woman should carry in her purse wherever she goes, non-negotiables, must-haves in every lady's purse. So let's get straight into it. This first item, I think every lady already carries it in their purse, and that is wet wipes. You need to always carry with you your wet wipes wherever you go to. If you're going to use the restroom, or even if you needed to just wipe the surface you're going to sit on, you want to make sure you carry your wet wipes with you. This is an essential must-have that every lady needs to carry in her purse wherever she goes. The second item is the hand sanitizer. This is very essential for whenever you go out. You want to always make sure you carry a hand sanitizer with you. This one is very small and very handy. This is what I personally use if I give a handshake to someone or I touch something that I'm not very sure about, like the doors in public spaces. I always make sure to use my hand sanitizer. Bacteria's running around and you don't want to carry that back into your house or carry the touch around your body, so always make sure to carry a hand sanitizer as a girl who loves to live the good life. The next item, these are essential items. Always carry a panty liner, a sanitary pad, and a tampon. If you're a tampon girly, you never know, you can just simply assist someone out there. This accident happens sometimes. You know, you can have your monthly visitor very early or earlier than expected, or someone around you might actually need help. Always make sure to be the one who is there to hand out to someone. I always personally carry 2 panty liners because you never know, girl, you never know. This next item is something that a lot of people might think it's not necessary to carry around, especially if you're a girl, but girl, it is. And it is a condom. If you are sexually active as a lady, it doesn't hurt to carry a condom with you in your purse. Yes, you heard that right. Always have a condom, because you never know what might happen, and if it's gonna happen, always make sure you have your protection with you. Very important. A condom is something that I think a lady, or every lady who is sexually active and is in a relationship of some sort, should always have in their purse. So let us go over to the beauty and touch-up must-haves in your purse. The first is the compact powder and my brush. I just carry this because I'm just a girl. This compact powder actually has a mirror in it, so I could easily, you know, if I use the restroom. What do you do when you get into the restroom if you don't touch up your face, girl? You need to make sure you carry your compact powder and your brush, especially if you have oily skin, because I personally do have oily skin, and I wouldn't want to be, let's just say I'm on girls' night out or date night or even at brunch and I want to use the restroom and my makeup is already looking very tacky. Nope. That's why I need to make sure I have these 2 items. So when you use the restroom, you need to make sure you touch up your face, just so you. The next item is my mini perfumes. These perfumes are small enough to fit into my purse. Any purse I want to use to go out, I usually switch them every now and then. Perfumes in your purse or your bag means you can smell like a soft life goddess anytime and anywhere. I always smell good wherever I go, because never to be caught unfresh. So these 2 perfumes, these are the mini bottles from Valentino. These are the 2 I'm presently using right now. So sometimes when it runs out, I get something else. It just depends. It just depends on my mood, on how I feel. But these are the 2 I'm currently using right now, and they smell so good. You need to smell the way you look, smell the way you feel, smell the way you want to be perceived. Wow. The next item is for your lips. I personally carry my lip balm and lip gloss just to touch up. Your lips do not have to look dry. You're a girl. You're a girl who loves the soft life. You need to always look moisturized everywhere. Your lips need to look beautiful. Okay, girl? So make sure you carry your lip gloss or your lip balm, whatever it is, with you in your purse wherever you go. Confidence starts when you open your mouth too. So always make sure to carry something like chewing gum or mint. It just depends. Whatever your preference is. Perfect. A floss, a dental floss. As a lady, you cannot be caught in public doing this. That is not classy. That is not classy at all. If you're a lover of the good life and you follow the Belvin 2.0, girl, you need to make sure you have a floss with you in your purse wherever you go. Just so once you're out, even if you ate something, a date night or girls' night out, you just simply open your purse and you have your floss. Because no matter how you try to use a toothpick, there are still going to be particles of food in your mouth. You need to take out that. I think a floss is going to do that job. So once you carry the floss with you, what I do is I just simply take it out, you cover your mouth and you pick it out. You don't want to be smiling and there are particles of food on your teeth. Oh my god, don't do that. Please make sure to carry your floss with you wherever you go, because you never know, you might eat something might get stuck in your teeth, just have a floss with you. This is a must-have in your purse. Please do not forget to carry a floss wherever you go. The next item is to have you some hand lotion in your purse. If you wash your hands, you don't want to have your hands remaining dry. Just make sure to have your hand lotion with you. That smells good, just so when you give someone a handshake, they will tell, and they can tell that you're a girl who does not play about herself, who does not play about her beauty, who does not play about her looks, because who does that? Who? Listen, as a daughter to a medical personnel, one thing my dad always says is,
always make sure you have some first aid medicines with you. Always make sure to have your first aid box with you.
I don't know how he expects me to carry a whole first aid box with me, but one thing is for sure, I make sure to always carry something for headache or for a fever or for cramps. You never know when you could have that cramps, or you could help someone who is in need. So in here, I carry my pain relievers. I do carry Tylenol and ibuprofen. This is very important because just simply help someone who is in need. So always make sure to carry like some medication with you. Girl, you never know. Even a girl's night out, someone might just have a situation and you would be the one to save the day. So make sure you have some medications with you. The next is to have a charger or a power bank. You never know what could happen once you go out. Always make sure to have like a charger or a power bank with you. A water break. Today we are hydrating. Yes, we talked about drinking water the last time. This is something that helps me drink a lot of water. I just make sure to add some flavor to it. So today I'm drinking lemon flavored water. It just gives taste to it and makes me feel like I'm drinking juice. You get it? The next items adjust my preferences. As a journalist, I always love to walk around with a notepad and a pen. If I need to jot down something, I need to write down something I don't want to forget. I sometimes use the note app on my phone, but I just feel like this is very necessary because you never know. It could be anything. You might want to write some information and most importantly, some cash. Having cash with you as a girl is really important. I go somewhere where they don't take cards. You don't want to be embarrassed. You need to always make sure you have some cash with you. And your wallet, which is going to have your ID and your other cards in it. Do not ever leave the house if you don't have this important item with you. Please make sure you carry your wallet wherever you go. Even if you're going to the nearest nearby store, always have your wallet with you. The next item, especially if I'm going for brunch or going out to run errands, I always make sure to carry glasses with me. It just elevates your look, It is just a very important accessory to have with you. So always make sure to have like your sunglasses with you. You don't want to walk around looking like this. So this item, I say it is very necessary for your safety. I personally carry a pepper spray in my purse, just so if there's anyone who wants to, especially if you're out for girls' night. Don't come close. Don't come close. I have me some pepper spray in my purse. I have a weapon in my purse. You want to see it? So a pepper spray is very necessary to carry your purse just for your own safety. We pray nothing ever happens, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Make sure you carry your pepper spray with you. It's classy and necessary. All set. Never to be caught unfresh. You don't want to feel embarrassed somewhere because you look into your purse and you find out you did not carry it. Okay, you need to smell fresh, you need to speak confidently, you need to look your best wherever you are, feel your best, smell your best, and above all, feel very safe enough wherever you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and share. This is La Belvie 2.0, and over here we keep it fresh, we keep it classy, we keep it beautiful, and we live life to the very fullest. Cheers to the good life, and remember to stay hydrated.